sexy. Chocolate.
Right, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is T and this is Tea Time, where we do fun and crazy things. If you're new, thank you for coming. If you're not, thank you for coming back. We'll get into this video. Make sure you grab yourself a cup of tea, because you know there's always time for tea, baby. Bro, looking at cute. Right, so in this video, yeah, I'm actually going to attempt to be a beautician. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. I'm going to attempt to, yeah, as you can see, you know what they say, green juice a day keeps the bird away. Oh, I'm just gonna put that on silent because now it's stressing me out. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to start by like putting your moisturizer on and prepping your face. I need to get my eyebrows done, like so bad. But you know, we're in lockdown, so there's no doing of anything. Why are people messaging me whenever I'm busy? People always message me, call me whenever I'm busy. But when I'm free, my phone be dry. Drier than someone's grandma's ashy ankles, yeah. So I'm gonna start from my eyebrows. Line, you know, you're gonna draw it like Picasso with the drawing, you know. And I'm not even gonna lie, my makeup application is not like great, do you know what I mean? But it all comes together in the end. Like when I'm applying everything, yeah, I just put it on, fill in the eyebrows, like so. And then you fill in your eyebrow, like so. Brow thingy. Because I think it's too dark. I like to use brown on my eyebrows, but this is like a dark brown, like borderline black. And black on your eyebrows, baby. You're not anyone's aunties and uncles or grandmas and mums. No, you're young babes, okay? Young babes, okay? Toothbrush. And just brush that out so your eyebrow feel look good. Right. Well, I don't like to use two concealers. I've got no choice because the concealer that I actually like to use, I can't find it. I don't know where it's gone. So we've got to mix containers. Anything. I can never find anything. I'm tired. I'm tired. So you want to get your little angled brush. I think in my last video I was saying angulated. What kind of English? Start off with the darker concealer. And then obviously other eyebrow, because you're not trying to go outside with one eyebrow. Don't do that, okay? Beautiful. That's beautiful eyebrow. And then you're gonna see like, perfect, these look good. They look thin as well. I like it, I like it. I'm actually just gonna add a little bit of the lighter concealer just in the corner of the brow, because I want that to really pop, do you know what I mean? So just a little bit, like a turn, like so. Then bring that down. You want to get your little blender, or you can use a finger. I like to use a little blender brush thingy, just to blend that out. You begin cool the truck get to be the walk of the pyramid. My son is the being forever in the mystery. I'll start with big bang. When we finish with the whole makeup, we're just gonna go back over them and neaten them out, make sure everything is working according to God's plan. Blush, I like to use a little lipstick for blush, you know. I saw this little hack on TikTok, so no one try and at me. Don't at me, try and call me ghetto, don't at me saying anything, because this is what I saw on TikTok, so I'm gonna do it. And then just, the more like a clown you look, the better it's gonna come looking in the end. Alright? Alright, man. Promise ya, promise ya. Would I lie to ya? Tell me, would I lie to ya? Don't think I would. Don't think I would at all. And you want to blend it out a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, because you don't want all of them lines. You want it to look like part of your face. Do you know what I mean? Gonna go in with some contour and some highlight. This is actually what I do to make my makeup pop, Popiana, Beatiana, Fabiana, Makeupiana, like where you would normally contour. This is gonna give you them snatch cheeks, trust me. Just a little bit of contour. You can even contour your nose, because we're still gonna apply foundation, remember that. So and like I said, I can't find the actual concealer that I like to use for my highlighting and stuff, so this is what I like to do. Just a bit there, a bit there, a bit there, a bit there, and then you get that lighter shade, and a bit there, and a bit there, and a bit there, and a bit there. And then what you do is, yeah, you want to get your other sponge, okay? You want to wet that as well. It's just water. It's just water. I'm just water. You and water. Blend, 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 blend it. Like so. Before we put on our foundation, you want to apply some of your powder. Just a little bit. Under your eyes. We're going to leave it, and then get your little powder brush and just gently just blend that away. We don't want that creasing up. And then this is a little tip and trick I like to use for my eyeshadow when I'm feeling lazy. Listen, beauty on a budget. You're going to use all of your makeup for everything. And then add some to the outer corner, the darker shade to the outer corner. And then obviously lighter shade inner corner, just like that. And then you want to get that same brush, yeah, that you were using to blend out your eyeshadow, yeah, and that's what you want to just dab it lightly, like so, like that, yeah. And then you want to do the same thing with the outer edge, like that, and you just want to bring it up, yeah, eyeshadow brush, yeah, and you want to get either your face powder or your setting powder, okay? I'm going to use my face powder, just on the outer corner and into my crease, just to set the outer bit, and then a bit of the setting powder just on the inner corner, inner bit where I put the lighter shadow. Gently tap it away because we don't want powder in our eyes. That's that. We're just going to leave that on there, okay? You don't want to blend it all the way just yet, so let that sit, trust me, okay? This is like a brown, just a plain brown eyeliner. How did she do a wing so fast? I'm sick. That's how I'm a sick woman. Oh, maybe not. But it's fine because it's concealer. Therefore, we can just go over it, you know? Like magic. Oh, oh, it's magic. You know. Never believe it's not so basically done. Foundation. Foundation. Oh, na 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 foundation. A little foundation brush, which is what you use to apply foundation, and you can put your foundation on your hand and stuff, but I can't be asked for that, so I'm just going to put it directly on the brush and just make lots of little spots all over my face. And you kind of want to like spread it out, but I'm not going to do that yet on my cheeks because obviously I've got like pink. And because that foundation is not really entirely my skin colour, I like to mix it in with my concealer. And this is another little tip and trick. When you mix in your foundation with your concealer, your skin looks flawless. Like your base literally looks flawless, okay? I'm just going to apply that directly onto my face. Just like that. And there you have it. Okay, so I like to do my forehead first because I've got a little forehead and I don't like it when it's like cakey. Cakey forehead is not nice at all. How can you leave your house with cakey forehead? What? I'm going to blend that in slightly, just by like doing stuff like that. This is what I like to use in my setting spray. It's just the Mario Badescu aloe spray, and then just spray it with your face. Let that dry a little bit, and you don't want that to dry down fully. So we're gonna just start blending that into our skin with a sponge. Blend, blend, blending, blending. I like to use my face powder like literally straight away, okay? That's just how I like to do my makeup. You don't have to do this. Chin. So you want to get your contour thingy, and you want to go actually on your cheekbone. That's how you're going to get that snatched cheekbone. And then blend downwards. Yeah, this is like my actual skin colour, not contour. And blend down. See how I'm like, I applied it on my cheekbone, yeah? And then I'm blending downwards, okay? My lashes are somewhere. I'm gonna do my lashes off camera, and then I'm gonna come back, yeah. But like that, and then like that. Same on the other side. Right, and then obviously you just want to blend that out because you don't want to look dead, do you know what I mean? Blend. Oh, getting makeup all in my baby hairs. Oh my gosh. Yeah, your nose. And I just use a little bit because, you know. Top of your lip. And then under your face. And then I just blend that out straight away because I don't like looking ashy. Actually, just everywhere that I've applied that banana powder. Obviously, you want to go over your contour again. Just really gently. I don't put anything else on there, just use whatever's left on the brush. We're going to go back in with that lipstick again. Just a little bit this time. It's just going to give us a bit of a... right, so I'm done with my makeup now. I think my battery died, so I just did my makeup off camera. I'm just gonna fix up my hair, like clean it up and stuff, and then clean up because I made a bit of a mess. The Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. I'm getting better at my makeup, as you guys can see. You know, get it going.